Happy Father's Day! So baked a cake for my dad today. But oops, had a problem with the ingredients. Needed to double down on the ingredients and quadratic equations came to my rescue. Let me give you an example. Suppose we are baking a rectangular cake with area 120 centimeter square and the length is 2 more than the breadth. Do mention in the comment box the equation formed and the length and breadth. Class 10, day 15, exercise 4.3 in the 30-day summer challenge. Let's start with the exercise. So class 10th, in previous exercise, we have done the factorization method, the splitting the middle term for finding out the roots. This exercise will learn the quadratic formula to finding out the roots of the equation. As you all know that quadratic equation has degree 2. So there would be 2 roots. The formula for 2 roots, finding out 2 roots would be x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b square minus 4ac is also been denoted by term d, discriminant. If d is greater than 0, then two real distinct roots are going to exist. If d is going to be equal to 0, in that case, we'll have two equal roots which are going to exist. Many times solving the question you have seen that दोनों roots equal आती हैं. That means d is equal to 0. And if d is less than 0, then no real roots exist. Question number 1. Find the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation, and if real roots exist, then we have to find out their value. Now the first question is 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. A is 2, B is minus 3 and C is equal to 5. So let us find out D. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. In place of B I have minus 3, so minus 3 whole square minus 4 into A की जगह पे 2 and C place we have 5. So minus 3 square is 9, 9 minus 40. 9 minus 40 is minus 31, which is less than 0. Since D is less than 0, so no real roots are going to exist. Hence, we cannot further simplify. Coming to the next question. The next question is 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. In this question, A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4 under root 3 and C is equal to 4. So, we have to find out, first we'll find out D. We'll check whether D is greater than 0. If D is greater than 0, D is equal to 0. And then in that case, we can find out the roots. If D is less than 0, then no real roots exist. So D is B square minus 4AC. In place of B, I have minus 4 under root 3 whole square minus 4, A की जगह 3, C की जगह 4. Simplify, minus 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3. 4 into 3 into 4 is 48, 16 3s are 48, 48 minus 48 is 0. So D is equal to 0, I'll have two equal roots which are going to exist. And the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So minus b, minus of minus 4 under root 3, d is 0, so under root d is also going to be equal to 0 upon 2a, that is 2 into 3. Simplifying it, minus into minus is plus, 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. Further simplifying, I'll get my answer 2 under root 3 upon 3. And plus minus 0 will give me the same result. So 2 under root 3 upon 3 are my two equal roots which are going to exist in this case. Third part, I have 2x square minus 6x plus 3. A is 2, B is minus 6 and C is equal to 3. D would be B square minus 4AC, that is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into A की जगह पे we will write down 2 and C की जगह पे we will write down 3. So 6 square minus 6 square is 36, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 36 minus 24 is 12, which is greater than 0. So I'll have two real distinct roots which are going to exist. Again, the value of x would be minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Under root d would be under root 12. Under root 12, I hope everyone knows how to find out. And under root 12 is 2 under root 3. So putting the value of under root 12 over here, minus of minus b will become minus of minus 6 plus minus 2 under root 3 upon 2 into 2. A is also 2 over here. Now minus into minus 6 is plus 6. So I have 6 plus minus 2 under root 3 upon 2 into 2. Further, from the numerator, we will take out 2 common. So I would be left with 3 plus minus under root 3 upon 2 into 2. 2 would get cancelled. So I would be left with 3 plus minus under root 3 upon 2. My two roots would be, first root would be 3 plus under root 3 upon 2. Second would be 3 minus under root 3 upon 2. Question number 2. Find the value of k in the given quadratic equation if the roots are equal. Now what are given to us are two equal roots. Two equal roots will simply mean that d is equal to 0. As the roots are equal, therefore we are given over here that d is equal to 0. Since d is equal to 0, that will mean b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. In this equation, a is 2, b is k and c is 3. So I have k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. K square will become 24. So k will become plus minus under root 24. Now I believe everyone knows how to find out plus under root 24 using prime factorization, and that is 2 under root 6. So k is plus minus 2 under root 6. Next part, we'll first simplify the equation. Open the bracket, k into x is kx square minus 2kx minus 6 is equal to 0. So a की जगह पे we have k, b I have minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Since again the roots are equal, therefore d would be equal to 0. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a की जगह we have k and c की जगह we have 6. So minus 2k whole square will become 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. 4k I have taken out common. If I'll take out 4k common, in the bracket I would be left with k minus 6. So either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. If 4k is 0, then k is equal to 0. If k minus 6 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 6. I hope this is clear with everyone. Now we have to find out whether it is possible to have this situation or not. And if yes, we have to find out length and breadth. So the rectangular mango grove whose length is twice the breadth is given to us. Area is 800 meters square. Let the breadth of the groove be x. Now we are given that the length is twice the breadth. So in that case, length will become 2x. So length of the groove is 2x. Further, I am given that the area of the groove is 800 meters square. So area formula is length into breadth, that is 800. In place of length, I will write down 2x. In place of breadth, I will write down x. So 2x into x is 2x square is equal to 800 meters square. X square will become 800 upon 2, which is 400 meters square, and x will become plus minus under root of 400. Everyone knows plus minus under root 400 is 20. If you don't know, do mention in the comment box. I'll let you know how to find this out. So x is equal to plus 20 or minus 20. Definitely minus 20 cannot be the breadth. So x would be 20 meter and length is 2x, that is 2 into 20, 40 meters. I hope this question is clear. The next is sum of ages of two friends is 20 years ago. 4 years ago, their product of ages was 48. We have to find out their ages. Since I am given that the sum of ages of two friends is 20. So sum of ages of two friends is 20. That means let the age of one friend would be x and the age of another friend would be 20 minus x. दोनों को प्लस करके 20 आया. तो अगर एक फ्रेंड x years का है तो दूसरा फ्रेंड 20 minus x years का होगा. Further, I am given that the product of their ages is 48. So product of their ages means when I multiply their ages 4 years ago. 4 years ago, my first friend was x, so he would become x minus 4. And second one was 20 minus x. So 20 minus x will become 20 minus x minus 4. 4 साल पहले दोनों की एज के लिए हमने 4 माइनस कर दिया दोनों की एज से. प्रोडक्ट आया 48. Now we'll simplify this. This will become x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Further, opening the bracket and simplifying and solving, we'll get minus x square plus, सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हम इसको, बायनॉमियल इंटू बायनॉमियल मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, आंसर निकालेंगे, प्लस 20x माइनस 64 माइनस 48, दूसरी साइड प्लस हो रहा था, इधर आके माइनस हो जाएगा. सो आई हैव माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 20x माइनस 112 इज इक्वल टू 0. In place of a, I have minus 1, b is 20 and c is minus 112. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. 20 minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 112 solve करेंगे. 400 minus 448, that is minus 48, which is less than 0. Since it is minus 48 and it is less than 0, d is less than 0, so no real roots in this case are going to exist. So further solving this is not possible for us. Come to the next question. The perimeter is 80, area is 400, we have to find out length and breadth. Since area is 400 meters square, formula for area is length into breadth is equal to 400. So I can say length is equal to 400 upon breadth. Breadth was multiplied over here. If I've taken to other side, it is divided. Further, I am given perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter का formula लिखेंगे 2 into L plus B, that is given to us as 80 meter. 2 would be added over here. If I take 2 to another side, it will be divided. So L plus B will become 40 meters. Now from 1, equation 1, L in place of L, I'll put 400 upon B plus B is equal to 40. LCM लेंगे, solve करेंगे, 400 B plus B square upon B is equal to 40. Denominator में B is divided over here. Other side of equation it will be multiplied. I will get 400 plus B square minus 40B is equal to 0. So my equation reduces to B square minus 40B plus 400 is equal to 0. Simplify this, I'll get B square minus 20b plus 400 is equal to 0. I am using splitting the middle term over here. If you want, you can use the discriminant formula also over here. It is absolutely your choice which formula you have to use. So B is 20 meters. If B is 20 meters, L would be 400 upon B, which is again 20 meters. In this case, length and breadth both are 20 meters. So beta, I hope the quadratic formula is clear with everyone. If in any case where you are not able to use splitting the middle term, you can go ahead and use quadratic formula for solving the answers. I hope it is clear with everyone.